How to add Sendit on Snapchat. So if you want to add Sendit on your Snapchat application, then simply check your internet connection. And once you've checked your internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and then tap on the search bar and search for Sendit. And once you tap on Sendit or once you search for it, here you will have Sendit application. This is the application. So if you want to get the anonymous questions on Snapchat, then you need to simply install this application. Tap on install, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. So wait for a bit, and once it's downloaded, tap on open, which is on the right side, and then you need to enter your age and tap on let's go, and it will take you to the Snapchat. So open up your Snapchat and now tap on continue, and then choose your Bitmoji avatar and then your display name and tap on continue again, which is on the bottom, and tap on next if you would like to receive the notifications, and allow. And if you would like to access your contacts, then tap on next, or you can choose don't allow. So that's it. That's how you add Sendit or Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.